How to delete Canva account permanently. So if you want to delete your Canva account permanently, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Basically, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all, open up your browser. Then once you open your browser, go to canva.com homepage and log into the account that you might wanna delete. Once you've done that, there you can see the settings icon right there. And once you click on the settings icon, on the left hand side, you wanna simply go to login and security. And once you go to the security option, right over here, you can see this. You can simply scroll down and here you can see delete your account button. So all you have to do is just click on delete account. It will ask you for a confirmation if you want to keep all your team design and so on. So just enter the code and click on delete account and your Canva account will be successfully deleted. And this way you will be able to delete your Canva account. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.